In this video, we will show you how to change language in Amazon application. To change language in Amazon application on the Android, it's very easy. First, you can click Amazon Shopping or your Amazon application here. After that, you can click this menu. Then in here, you can select the country and language. In here, you can select your language you want. You can change by clicking this button. In Amazon application on Android, there is just have this language available. There is Spanish, German, Chinese, Portuguese, and Chinese traditional, Korean, Hebrew, and Arabic. And you can see the available in another countries is just for this. For example, let's select the German or Dutch. Now the menu it's become using the Dutch language. You can click save button here. Now you can see there all interface is become the Dutch language here. And you can see the interface of Amazon application become Dutch language. Be careful when you select the language that you didn't understand. When you selecting the language, you can just refer to this flag. So if you want to change the language, you can just identify with this. Maybe uh, you don't need or you mistake when change the language. So you very hard to see the language menu just using this flag. So you will see available language here. And that's all tutorial how to change language in Amazon application on Android. Hope this video helpful for you.